Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 coverages that septic tank installation and cleaning services need to be aware of to protect their business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the best business insurance. Now, septic tank system installation and cleaning businesses have a lot of unique exposures. So first and foremost is general liability. So these are going to be slip, trip, and fall situations. If someone comes onto the job site and gets hurt, this is going to be third-party bodily injury and property damage. So this is usually the first insurance coverage that you think of. Next is going to be professional liability, also known as errors and omissions insurance. Now, this is going to protect you and your business from design flaws. Let's say a client hires you to install a septic tank system in their new cabin, and you review the perk text, site, and plans and recommend a specific system for their cabin. And the client doesn't like the idea and directs you to install a different system. And then months later, they call you and complain that the system alarm constantly goes off. And then they allege that you installed an inadequate system. You know that you did a good job and that this has never happened to you before, but you're going to need to hire an attorney to prove that. So this goes beyond your general liability. Next is going to be pollution liability. So this is going to be pollution related risk. You want to make sure that you have liability in place for that. So this means transporting hazardous waste material or working on septic systems that could cause damage to soil or property or cause airborne contaminants. So you want to make sure that you have liability in place for all pollution related exposures. Next is going to be commercial auto. So this is going to be super important because you have vehicles on different job sites or business vehicles in your name. So you want to make sure that you have commercial auto in place. Pretty straightforward. And last but certainly not least is going to be workers' comp. So if you have employees or subcontractors that you're managing on the job, you want to make sure that you have workers' comp because the state is going to audit you and they're going to be looking for work that was performed, payments that were made to employees or subcontractors, and where workers' comp was not in place. So you want to make sure that you set up workers' comp as soon as possible. And so now that you understand the 5 coverages that every septic tank installation or cleaning service should at least be aware of and how they affect you on the job site, I want to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the best septic tank cleaning or installation business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below.